the male hormone testosterone. It's a term that makes people think of manliness, energy, and power. For many, it epitomizes the core of what it is to be a man. But testosterone's functions extend much beyond those of a male hormone. Important for many different processes in the body, it is a chemical messenger all through a man's life. This chemical messenger is essential to his health and well-being. Throughout life, from puberty to old age, testosterone plays an important role in regulating bodily functions. Testosterone is a must-have for males of all ages for a variety of reasons, including muscular growth, increased energy, mental acuity, and mood elevation. Bone density, fat distribution, and red blood cell production are all helped by it. Envision yourself exuding strength, vitality, and self-assurance. These are not isolated incidents, but rather a permanent condition that may be attained with the support of healthy testosterone levels. Envision yourself equipped to face life's obstacles with a clear head, an optimistic perspective, and the physical fortitude to do so. Whether it's thriving at job, spending time with family, or following personal pursuits, testosterone plays a role. These are just a few of the possible advantages that optimum testosterone levels might give. The hormone's impact extends to emotional well-being, helping to handle stress and minimize the risk of depression. In this examination of testosterone, we'll dig into the science behind this strong hormone, revealing its numerous advantages and how they transcend well beyond the physical. We'll look at how it impacts cognitive skills such as memory and focus. We'll explore how testosterone affects males both physically and intellectually, impacting everything from muscular strength and energy levels to mood, memory, and self-confidence. Understanding these consequences may help men make educated choices regarding their health. Join me as we unravel the mysteries of testosterone and learn how men may naturally optimize their levels for a healthier, more meaningful life. Through lifestyle changes, food, and exercise, men may harness the potential of this hormone to increase their quality of life. Testosterone is a hormone, a chemical messenger that passes through the circulation, sending messages to various regions of the body. It plays a critical role in several physiological processes, operating as a vital component in the complicated network of the endocrine system. Produced largely in the testes with tiny quantities being produced in the adrenal glands, testosterone operates on many tissues and organs, impacting a broad variety of body activities. This hormone is not only critical throughout puberty when it causes the development of male secondary sexual traits, but it also continues to be significant throughout adulthood. Think of testosterone as a key that unlocks certain receptors inside cells, launching a cascade of events. These receptors are like locks that, when unlocked, activate a sequence of biological reactions that are necessary for preserving health and vitality. These effects influence everything from muscular development and bone density to red blood cell synthesis and fat distribution. Testosterone's impact on muscle growth and strength is especially relevant for people involved in physical activities and sports. Testosterone also plays a critical role in male reproductive health, affecting sperm production and sex desire. It maintains the appropriate functioning of the male reproductive system, contributing to fertility and general sexual health. Understanding how testosterone works is vital for grasping its enormous influence on men's health. Knowledge about this hormone may enable people to make educated choices regarding their health and well-being. By learning its different responsibilities, we may better appreciate the necessity of maintaining optimum testosterone levels throughout life. This understanding may lead to better lifestyle choices and proactive health management. In the following sections, we'll examine the particular ways testosterone helps males from the physical to the cerebral and emotional. We'll look into how it promotes not only physical strength and endurance, but also mental clarity, emotional stability, and general quality of life. One of the most widely recognized advantages of testosterone is its influence on physical health. From creating strong muscles to preserving bone density, testosterone is vital for a man's physical strength and durability. Testosterone serves a critical function in muscle development and repair. It achieves this by boosting protein synthesis, the process by which your body develops new muscle tissue. This is why testosterone is especially useful for men who are physically active or trying to build muscle mass. Beyond muscle, testosterone also helps to healthy bones. It stimulates bone-forming cells, helping to preserve bone density and lower the risk of osteoporosis, a disorder that weakens bones and makes individuals more prone to fractures. For many guys, the desire for a robust, muscular body goes beyond looks. It's not only about looking nice in the mirror or impressing people with your physical attractiveness. It's about feeling confident, competent, and healthy. When you feel powerful, you carry yourself differently, with a feeling of confidence and self-certainty that penetrates every facet of your life. Testosterone plays a critical role in reaching these aims. This hormone is not merely a sign of masculinity. It is a critical actor in muscular growth, energy levels, and fitness, and overall energy. Imagine yourself going to the gym, lifting weights and experiencing the delicious burn as your muscles work. Each rep, each set puts you closer to your objectives, and testosterone is there powering your growth. Testosterone is operating behind the scenes, helping your muscles heal and develop stronger after each exercise. This recuperation phase is vital for developing muscle growth and boosting strength. This process, known as muscle protein synthesis, is enhanced by testosterone, resulting to greater muscular growth and strength. The more effectively your body can produce protein, the more muscle you can develop. but the advantages of testosterone extend beyond the gym. It's not simply about lifting larger weights or getting a sculpted figure. Increased muscle mass may boost your metabolism, making it simpler to maintain a healthy weight. A greater metabolic rate means your body burns more calories, even at rest, helping you remain slim and healthy. It also boosts physical performance in many facets of life, from carrying groceries to playing with your kids. Everyday chores become simpler and you find yourself with greater energy and stamina. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just beginning your fitness journey, keeping normal testosterone levels may help you reach your physical objectives and enjoy the advantages of a strong, healthy body. Embrace the adventure and let testosterone be your ally in becoming a better self. Have you ever felt sluggish, lethargic, and without motivation? Low testosterone levels might be a contributing cause. Testosterone plays a critical function in energy generation and general vigor. Think of testosterone as the gasoline that runs your engine. It regulates red blood cell synthesis, which delivers oxygen throughout your body, supplying energy to your cells. When testosterone levels are low, you may suffer exhaustion, poor energy levels, and a loss in stamina. Maintaining appropriate testosterone levels might help you feel more energetic throughout the day. You'll have the endurance to blast through exercises, remain focused at work, and participate in activities you like without feeling depleted. In the following part, we'll discuss how testosterone affects another vital component of your well-being, your thinking. Testosterone's advantages extend beyond the physical world, influencing cognitive performance and mental clarity. Just as it enters your body, testosterone also plays a part in keeping your mind bright and concentrated. Studies have established a relationship between testosterone levels and cognitive ability, including memory, spatial awareness, and linguistic fluency. Testosterone may increase connectivity between brain cells, promoting normal cognitive performance. Imagine yourself feeling cognitively alert, able to concentrate on things, and readily remember facts. These are just a few of the cognitive advantages that optimum testosterone levels may give. While more study is required to completely understand the complicated interaction between testosterone and cognitive function, maintaining adequate levels is vital for general health and well-being. Testosterone isn't only about physical strength and cerebral sharpness, it also plays a key influence in emotional health and well-being. When testosterone levels are maximized, men typically report feeling more confident, aggressive, and robust in the face of it. Testosterone impacts the synthesis of neurotransmitters including dopamine and serotonin, which play key roles in mood regulation, motivation, and emotions of well-being. When these neurochemicals are in balance, it may contribute to a more optimistic perspective, better self-worth, and a stronger feeling of overall happiness. From youth to adulthood, testosterone levels normally change during a man's life. They normally peak throughout early adulthood and progressively drop with age. While this drop is a normal aspect of aging, there are measures to sustain healthy testosterone levels throughout life. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is vital. This includes frequent exercise, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean protein, and proper sleep. Managing stress levels via approaches like meditation or yoga may also have a good influence on testosterone production. It's crucial to realize that everyone is different. What works for one guy may not work for another. If you're worried about your testosterone levels, speak with a healthcare expert to discuss your unique requirements and examine possible possibilities. Testosterone, sometimes labeled the male hormone, is considerably more than just a single part of a man's existence. It's a potent chemical message that affects practically every element of a man's health and well-being, from creating strong muscles and raising energy levels to sharpening the intellect and improving mood. By knowing the critical function testosterone plays throughout life, men may make educated choices to promote their health and vitality. Whether it's via lifestyle alterations, dietary changes, or seeking help from a healthcare expert, optimizing testosterone levels may lead to a healthier, more satisfying existence. Remember, feeling your best begins from inside. Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.